Welcome to the Pinyin Project. I'm Alex, and I'm ready to launch you into the world of Mandarin survival phrases.
And I'm Jess, your humble, slightly terrified guinea pig. If I can learn these, anyone can. Alex, what's the first weapon in our verbal arsenal today?
We are tackling the essentials: how to walk into a room politely, and how to leave like a boss. We're starting with the most basic word for hello in Chinese. Our first phrase is the absolute default for saying hello or hi. Ready? It's ni hao.
Ni hao. That sounds pretty friendly to...
It is. It's what you use for friends, peers, or anyone casual. You can use it anytime, anywhere. But Chinese, like many languages, has a formality setting. If you want to be extra polite, you add a little twist, nin hao.
Nin hao. So, that's hello, more formal/polite. Why the difference?
Of it this way, nin adds respect. If you're meeting your boss's boss, a university professor, or a much older person, you use nin hao. It shows you recognize their status.
Got it. So if I meet a famous Chinese celebrity, I need to look them in the eye and say, nin hao. But if I just see my neighbor, it's ni hao.
Exactly. You've nailed the difference.
Okay, I can enter a room. But what if I need to acknowledge the time of day?
Excellent question. Let's cover morning, afternoon, and evening. Good morning is zhaoan.
Zhaoan. Easy enough.
Good afternoon is wuan. You would use this generally from noon until early evening.
Wu on.
Now for the tricky one, wan on. This means good evening/good night.
Wait, both? So if I'm walking into a restaurant at 7 p.m., I say, wan on?
That's your good evening. But if you're leaving the restaurant at 10 p.m. to go to bed, you also say, wan on. It serves as both good evening, as a greeting, and good night, as a farewell/going to sleep.
That is highly efficient. One phrase for two occasions. I like it.
Now that you've said hello, the next natural step is asking how someone is doing. We use ni hao ma, which means how are you?
Ni hao ma. I feel like I'm building a real relationship now.
And the standard, polite answer is quite a mouthful, but very useful. You say, wa hen hao, xie xie ni.
Whoa, break that down for us, Alex. That means I am very well, thank you.
Absolutely. Wa means I, and means very. How means good. And then the magic words, xie xie ni, thank you. So you're literally saying, I very good, thank you. It sounds stiff in English, but it's perfect in Mandarin.
Let's try it. Alex, ni hao ma.
Wa hen hao, xie xie ni. Perfect.
Speaking of wa hen hao, xie xie ni. Let's talk about those courtesy phrases.
Couldn't agree more. If someone holds the door for you, or gives you a gift, you use the shorter form of thanks, xie xie. That's simply thank you.
Xie xie. Short, sweet, to the point. Love it.
And if someone says, xie xie, to you, how do you reply? You can't just stand there awkwardly. You say, bukeki.
Bukeki. That means you're welcome.
That's right. The literal meaning is something like, don't be polite. It's the perfect, friendly response.
Okay, I feel ready to navigate a basic social interaction now. All that's left is to leave the party.
And to leave, the most common phrase is, zaijian. This translates directly to goodbye.
Zaijian. That one is easy to remember.
All right, Jess, let's wrap up today's survival lesson with a lightning round.
Bring it on.
Formal hello.
Nin hao.
What do you say when you leave for bed?
Wan on.
How do you respond when someone says thank you?
Bukeki.
Fantastic job. Listeners, make sure to practice these phrases this week. It's the perfect way to break the ice with any Mandarin speaker you meet.
And Alex. Xie xie. For guiding us.
Bukeki. Join us next time for more pinyin fun. Everyone. Zaijian. Don't leave yet, there's still time to review. Review time. Ni hao. Nin hao. Zhaoan. Wuan. Wanan. Ni hao ma. Wahan hao, xie ni. Xie. Bukeki. Zaijian.